1, 2. What's up, everybody? It's Pete from Pete's Place, and today we are going to tase a perfectly working Apple Watch and see what happens. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, this is a perfectly working Apple Watch. We take it off the charger. We'll be presented with a low battery. If we connect it again, it should start charging. So everything works good with it. Just so you can see cosmetically, there's nothing wrong with it. And just so that you know that it's an Apple Watch. Focus. Okay, so you can see this is a Series 1 38mm Apple Watch. Everything's good with it. It's not a clone of any kind. All original bands. So we are going to try out a little experiment, and this connects to your charger, charges it wirelessly. So what happens if we put direct electricity right on this? Is it going to charge, or is it going to malfunction? So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to try doing this in the back and see if it does anything. I'll flip it around and then we can see the front of this. So let's go ahead, give this a try. I don't want to zap myself, so I'll just be hanging on to the rubber area. So typical taser, you can see works. Alright, let's give it a jolt. Okay, so right on the back here, we're going to start out just by doing this. Okay, nothing's affected by it, so let's go from the back. Wow, that's crazy. Nothing. See, it still works. Make sure it still charges. It still works, guys. That is crazy. So let's go a little deeper and let's do the screen. Taser is on. Screen test. Here we go. That is insane. That is crazy. I just guess I expected something maybe would do something. I feel the back is pretty warm on this. Oh, again, let's try it out, make sure it charges. And it is still working. How freaking crazy is that? I really expected either the screen to completely go out, or it kind of have some type of signal or something that shows that something's trying to be charged, but I'm pretty impressed with that. That is crazy. So for the last one, let's just go right on the side. So we're going to take this and it's going to go right over top of that aluminum casing. So we're going to be going from screen to the back, and let's go. Not affected one bit. Okay, so let's try this. So I know there's a lot of different things with the crown button and the power button. So let's try going over top of one of those, see if we can make a connection with something and see what it does. That is nuts. This is the real deal right here, guys. These Apple Watches are tase resistant. So if you're running from the police and you're scared that they're going to tase you and mess up your Apple Watch, you are good to go. Last check. Put it on, make sure it charges. Maybe. Let's turn our charger on. And it's still charging, guys. That is crazy. So Series 1 38mm Apple Watch is completely resistant to a taser with glue and stuff on it. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.